We are in Mumbai, India. We are about to get on a boat right now and head over to an island with the Elephanta Caves and give that a tour. Sounds like fun. It's already exciting to get here.
Yeah, let's see what we can get into for the rest of the day.
So it looks like our boat happens to be the walkway for the other boat. Not quite sure why they didn't load us into the very last boat right away so that this walkway would be empty for them and we could get out of here because it's hot. It's very, very hot. Missed the train, so we had to walk. No, I'm videoing you riding it. Hi! We are at Elephanta Caves, which is a World UNESCO site, and it is on, well, they call it Elephanta Island here in Mumbai. However, it's more of Monkey Island because there's a bunch of freewheeling monkeys all over this place. So we had to do about 120 steps up to the top of this mountain to get into these caves. It's hot here. This was tough. There was a few people riding up on the Queen's chairs, which are some local folks carrying them up, which was great. We opted not to do that. However, one of the things we did notice, which Rex is very sensitive to, is
incense. Incense everywhere. I know it's very common in India. Like Car said, I've got a sensitivity to it, so it's hard for me to breathe around it. And we're climbing all of these stairs, and all of the stalls with vendors lining the stairs all the way up. Every one of them are burning incense. So not only are we gasping for air climbing the steps, but then got all the incense that I'm breathing in too.
Monkeys here are absolutely not scared of you. There's a couple things that they want. If you bring out food, popsicle, any of that kind of stuff, they will take it from you. And if you have a water bottle and you're not holding on to it, likely it's going to be gone. We saw one drinking from a water bottle earlier. They also said that watch your cameras, your GoPros, anything like that, they will take those too. I'm not sure what they're gonna use them for. Maybe they have monkey indie films or something that they do. Who knows? But they know how to open a water bottle and then figure out how to drink out of it. So I'm sure they could figure that out too.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.